Hey guys, it's Full Floppies here, back with another video. Welcome guys. I'm very excited for this video. First of all, because Chainlink is such an amazing project. It's top tier project, and you're watching this video and you already know it. So anyway, in this video I'm going to talk about and show you. I'm going to draw here a little bit. I have to reset this. There's some random things here. I have drawn, but anyway, that was horrible drawing, by the way. I know. But so in this video I'm going to show you my thoughts about the market conditions right now. It's something that I want to talk about because there's so much fear right now. There is so much fear right now, and Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. Okay, so those people have made tons of money. I mean billions of money, and they just basically they wake up and they swim in the money. Okay, matter of fact, they live in the money. Okay, they just live inside money. Okay, I don't know, I'm joking here, but anyway, they have made so much money, and that's what they are saying. And if you look at the markets right now, what you can see, you have sensed it, you have smelled it, you can smell the fear. It smells awful. I don't like the be fearful. I watch one of the if you know, his name is C3 Nick. He's like he's such a smart, like he's one of the smartest people I know, and he's basically said that he made the red green. He changed up the colors, so he made the red green and green red. So whenever assets are going down, that's his green. He's like, yeah, now they're going down, because he does such a good like that's reviving your brain, for example, because red is just looks here so scary, but you shouldn't fear red, because well, basically you want to invest when nobody else is investing, when the prices are low, when there is nothing happening, when blah blah blah, because then when you buy, when the prices go up, you will make a lot of money. But how people buy is that they are here fearful, and then when everything goes up, then they buy here. Okay, and then they, like, you know, understand, it's they are buying high and selling low, and if you want to make money, you have to buy low and sell high. This is very fundamental stuff. I know that you are saying like, yeah, I know this, but yeah, do you know this, but are you doing it? Are you buying low and selling high? It's called Gandhi calls it, like, he has these things, but he calls it instinctual knowledge. Instinctual, it has to come, like, you have to do it. Actually, yeah, I know that you know it, I know it also, I know it for years, but I wasn't still making any money. But now, as I started to doing it, it's the whole game. Like, that's how rich, like, that's how you can make a lot of money. You get something low and then you sell it high. That's basically in everything. Okay, so you really have to do it. So that's why I'm saying here, a lot of people are greedy, not greedy, but fearful here. I have so much greed here. So much fearfulness here, but a couple months ago, greed was over the board. I mean, everybody was greedy. Okay, so yeah, that's the first thing that I want to say to you. Like fear is good, but sometimes fear just, you know, like makes you do wrong decisions. Okay, I mean, so I'm not. This is not financial advice. This is something that, don't be so stressed out about the markets. Maybe for example, I know as my experiences, if you are overexposed to one assets or assets, you can't, all you have to do is look at the price, because you have so much at the stake. So I think that, for example, that if you're overexposed, it will cause you a lot of stress, and that stress will cause you to make wrong decisions. Okay, and that's basically the first one. Okay, and I will talk about the second later on, because now I really want to get I've been rambling way too much here. But for Chainlink, the price prediction, if you don't know what Chainlink does, it's it does a lot of things, and they are just like, Sergey is, I have watched, like, I love Sergey. He's such a likable guy, and he's smart. He wants to make the world a better place. Okay, I mean, I'm huge supporter. Yeah, just go Chainlink, just go. And anyway, so what they do is they basically, all of these cryptocurrencies here are like, we are new, we are everything that you are not, basically. When we compare them to like old technology, but the problem here comes when you want to connect the old with the new. They are completely different things. You can't. But if there's way to connect them, like A and B. So let's say that A is new and B is old. And this is shaped like this, and this is shaped like this. So you can't connect them. But what comes here is a chain link, okay? And it takes this part and connects it with the second part also. So now it comes here, boom, boom, chain link, and boom, it works. Okay, so it allows the old system to use the decentralized system. But not only does that, but it allows the new system to use the old data, for example, data and information. So it's good. Okay, it's good. It's very good. And that's basically that. So if you keep this in mind, and if you keep in mind that cryptocurrencies in general it's a trend and it's a new technology, so it's going to just go up. And let's say that we are like right here or here, there is a lot going up still. Like it hasn't even basically begun. Okay, so in that sense we are very early, and Chainlink's price $17 is, I think that it's fairly low still. Okay, I mean I think that it's very, very slow still. But anyway, I remember seeing and Chainlink at 20 cents. At that time I was new investor, I didn't know what I was doing, so I didn't buy Chainlink at 20 cents. It's one of those things that I'm still like, I wish that I had been better. So that's why I always, it's very like, you have to educate yourself about everything. So the more you learn, the more you earn. That's a very good quote. Actually, I just bought these little notes, and every time I remember a good quote or something that I want to remember for the rest of my life, I'm going to now write it down here. And this is one of those things. You should do this one too. So this is very good quote. This is my favorite quote. So the more you learn, the more you earn. Because I know that there is so many like young people out there, like 20s or 30s or something like that. You have so much time still. So when you learn it now, this is a huge secret that I learned this year. Knowledge compounds. The more you learn now, it will compound. If you start learning now more, after 10 years you learn, so you have that the knowledge that you have is crazy. Okay, and after 10 years you are like 40 or 30 or something like that. It will compound. Even after that, it will compound for the rest of your life. So that's that. Go learn more about Chainlink. My price prediction for Chainlink for this year is that we were in the bear market, then we was in the February, March, it almost started pumping. Now we're back here. I think we consolidate here somewhere, blah blah blah, but then we go even higher, and then we will push up the last basically choices of the bear bull market, and I think that it's going to be crazy. I think that Chainlink could easily go to like $100, $200 even. I think that that's very, very doable. Anyway, in this bull market. Anyway, so I recommend you to. We are still in the bull market. There's still crazy opportunities. In the bull market, bear market, doesn't matter. Opportunities are always there. Life is opportunities and hardships. So, because the hardships create the opportunities. Anyway, so Chainlink, not Chainlink, but Token Metrics is a machine learning software that uses artificial intelligence to create. It uses past data to create predict future price action movements. And there the team behind Token Metrics, they're basically the CEO got very rich of 2017 crypto currency bull run. But not only that, he's very smart. Like these guys are smart. These guys are like, whoo, they're running it. Okay, so they have created this tool called Token Metrics. It's insanely good tool. It's one of the best. I think that at this point it's the best tool that I have when it comes. Well, the first one is basically a list of all cryptocurrencies and the markets. That's the first one. But second one is the Token Metrics. It has they basically have hired employees from all the biggest companies, like I mean all of the biggest biggest companies, and they have list of smart people, I mean crazy smart, and they are doing fundamental analysis, technological analysis, technical analysis. For example, they do the code reviews of the project. They have, when you come here, you can check out all the project here, anything, you can check it here. Then you can see the there's so much data, but they asked me not to show the information because they're like it's a premium software, so you have to pay for the information. So I'm sorry, but I can't show you the information, and I respect that. They have put a lot of work into this, I mean tons of work, and it's so worth it. There's you can check it out in the description, link in description, first link, and you can get 10% off lifetime. I'm using that code myself, and I have saved tons of money. And then there's it has, when I started using it, it had a 3-day trial, but now you can check it out, link in description, and get the 7-day trial. Okay, check it out. If you like it, you're going to come back to my channel and say thank you so much, guy, man. Thank you so much, Wolf. This has helped me so much, building profitable portfolios, finding cryptocurrencies, doing research, all this stuff. And if you don't like it, you after a 7-day trial, you're like, well, that then you at least tested it. So the upside of this decision is huge. So definitely check it out now before it's too late. Link in description, first link in description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe today, and I will post more videos in the future. And also like this video, that would help me so much. Anyway, thank you so much, and see you in the next one.